Last night we went over to my buddy's house and we started working on his EcoBoost. We're gonna go back to his house and go check out how far we gotten, and then I'm gonna fill you guys in with what else is next. We're pretty much going after the same build as what I did on my EcoBoost. If you guys remember, if you're my OGs, and you pretty much remember what I bought for my EcoBoost, we're gonna try to see if he's gonna get that big turbo or not, see where he wants to go in the future. So let's go ahead and head over. The car sounds really great. I'm gonna let you guys know. Way better. Let's go ahead and back this out. Alright, so we're off to the gas station. We got to put some gas in here, and he's about 35 minutes out. So let's go to the gas station, fill it up, and then we'll head over to his house. We just filled up. We're about to head over to his house right now, and let's go ahead and get away from this gas station, head onto the freeway. Pulling up now, and we're about to see if he's outside. Oh shit. Fool is not even outside. Let me just warn him that I'm here, and we'll see if he comes out. Ooh, check out that orange. Homeboy's about to come out right now. We're about to get back to doing his Mustang. We got a few things that we got to finish today, and then we'll see how far it goes. I know he ordered a lot of stuff, but if you guys want to check out more on his car, make sure you guys go over to his channel, because he's definitely going to have a lot on this car, and you guys get to see a little bit more. Maybe you can ask him a few more questions. Other than that, we are just waiting for him to come outside. I'm pretty sure he's just trying to get ready, come out, and then we'll come back onto the camera. The homie right there, we got his car. We're about to get some moving out. Oh yeah, I got the light and the table for you, by the way.
Oh, swear you brought that stuff?
Turbo's off. He just ordered a lot of things for this. Like I said, if you want to check out more, go to his channel. I'll link it in the bio. And you can see a lot more with the Mustang. I'm not going to film too much, so like I said, if you want to see his Mustang and the whole build process, make sure you go check out his channel.
Yeah, we'll list everything in the description as well. Everything that we purchased for the vehicle. Cylinder head, cylinder gasket, the bolts for the head mount, everything from the timing cover kit and so on. So yeah, be sure to watch the video on his channel and then come to mine.
All right, we'll see you in a few. Well guys, homeboy's driving my car.
Dude,
what do you think?
Dude, I love it, bro. I gotta get rid of the EcoBoost. Bro, I gotta, bro.
Hell yeah, bro, this shit's awesome, man.
Dude, and that was only first gear. That's so.
This thing puts a smile on my face every
Bro, that is so cool, bro. That is amazing, bro.
Hell yeah, man. This thing is.
I love this.
The sickest thing I've owned so far.
Dude, wow, dude.
Yeah.
The whole ride is cool, bro. This is sick. So sick, bro. Holy fuck. Oh, dude.
Power 5.0s.
Dude, this shit is nasty, bro. Like,
yeah, I think I just turned him, and now he's gonna go out and buy a GT now. He really did enjoy my Mustang. He's still learning manual, which he's been driving manual for 4 months now. His EcoBoost is definitely a manual. That's a good plus on that. I think he enjoys the GT a lot better, and so do I. I enjoy it way better than I did with my EcoBoost. I still miss my EcoBoost with it being an automatic, but driving a manual is a way different experience. You have way more control of the car, and I should have just gotten a manual from the get-go. We're gonna go ahead and finish editing the video so that way I can get it all ready so you guys can see it in the morning. Let's go ahead and drift off into a different dimension. I'll see you guys. Just sitting down after a long day, enjoying another Daily Driven Exotics episode. These guys have inspired me to become a YouTuber, and I can't thank them enough for being on YouTube and doing what they do. I really do, from the bottom of my heart, for all the people that really do come on YouTube. I know that it is a tough business to run, especially when you start getting into it. Without you guys being here and supporting what I love to do, I wouldn't be here either. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did today, and then we're gonna probably just make this a vlog of just everything. So I'm sorry if this video is just everywhere. Back into the shop, and this is where it all started today, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill you guys in. The first things that I came and did last night is I had to resort everything out again involving the Mustang EcoBoost parts. So I cleaned off my top of my toolbox here and I placed them all there. That way I can make sure that I don't lose any parts, because it's really crucial and very important that you don't. But those caps right there were supposed to go on the old cylinder head that, well, my customer sent back already. We're gonna find out what that involves later, and hopefully they just blow it off. I put all the rest of the other parts over here on top of my two totes, and there's something underneath that is red, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna get the idea. Yeah. Wait for that video. I cleaned up my workbench because I got tired of not having any space, and as you guys can tell, there's my old BBK long tube header sitting over there, and then we got the customer's car right here. Sorry, Josh. I didn't know where else to put my damn carpet, okay? So I put it on top of your car. And also, another thing, guys, is I just met a really cool dude, and he buys salvage Mustangs. He was gonna throw the Mustang away with the carpet. I told him, let me get that. And the reason for it is because my carpet on the driver's side has a big ol' hole right here from where I leave my foot when I'm shifting. So it kinda sucks, but fresh carpet. I just gotta vacuum it. I've already cleaned it already. I'm probably gonna do another cleaning to it to make sure that it's really, really crisp. This was in a 2018 Mustang, if I'm not wrong. I'm pretty sure it was, and so is that door. The sucky part about being a homeowner is that you don't get to go after your landlord to replace things, which kind of does suck because it comes out of your own pocket. Today, I went ahead and redid the wood truss system for the garage because the termites ate the wood that was originally there. I still have to do the other side before that decides to cave out and the garage falls. It's not a pretty good sight when that happens. So I took this one right here and redid it. I just need to hit one more spot up there, and then once I get that done, I gotta repaint it, and then I gotta do the other side as well as the long truss that sits on the top, and then the one that holds the actual chain link for the garage, which I'm gonna be getting all of that resorted hopefully within the next few weeks. But redoing it's really not that much money. I just cannot find the damn rails anywhere. Let's go over what happened to the Mustang EcoBoost and why is it still here. The Mustang EcoBoost is still here because, well, my buddy Josh that I'm doing this for, which, guys, it's one of my customers, I became really good friends with this dude. He ended up sending his head gasket over to a different location that wasn't the shop. And, well, now that it's not here, I can't really move forward with the rest of the build. Yeah, I'm also waiting on the cylinder head to get done and resurfaced, so that way I can go ahead and start putting everything back together and hope to God that this car actually fires once again. I still got to make sure that the fuel pump module is okay once I build it and put all the sensors back in again and it knows, okay, everything's been done. The battery has been disconnected for quite some time. There's a certain way that you have to do it when your kill switch activates for your fuel pump, and the sucky thing about this is, and a lot of you guys are probably wondering, where is that kill switch? Well, I'm gonna let you guys know on a little secret. Ford and a lot of other companies, they don't put a kill switch behind the trunk anymore. It is actually embedded into your airbag module. So if your airbags go off, your fuel pump will also shut off too to prevent fires. Now, per se, your airbags didn't go off. Can that still happen? Actually, yes, it can. Anything that will trigger that can be a lot of things too, like hitting a large bump. Going too fast on speed bumps can do that too. It will kill the kill switch to your fuel pump. And a lot of the times with these, they're really tricky because sometimes they just don't turn back on. And then you're like, what am I going to do about that? Well, you got to just relax and turn off the car, try to start it again. Hopefully the fuel pump kicks back on again. But as far as this car goes, I have to wait until I completely rebuild it back together again, and then I'm going to be able to test that fuel module and look at it on a scanner and see if it's actually actuating, or did it actually cut it off completely. I definitely cannot wait until he gets this car back and I can have my garage space back, because there's a certain things that I still need to do. And also, there's another thing. So CV Fab's long tube headers that I got sponsored on last video. If you guys did not see that, I'll be posting a little icon up here. You guys can go ahead and watch it for yourself. Go ahead and pick you guys up one of these headers, because I'm telling you right now, they are very close to Cook headers. They sound the same, they're bolt on the same, everything is pretty much the same about them. I, on the other hand, I like my BBKs, so I'm kind of in a pickle of whether I should throw my BBKs back on or just leave the Cook headers on and then eventually just do an active exhaust like one of you guys mentioned. And I'm thinking so hard about that because it will probably sound a lot louder than what it does now. The volume and the tone definitely changed since I switched out the headers. The performance aspect of it, it needs to be retuned. The car does not enjoy those headers for some weird reason. They're long tubes, just like my long tubes that I had on the car previously. The car is definitely tuned by a previous owner, so I got to get the computer open again, which I bought a tuner not too long ago, and we're going to go over that when that video hits. But as far as the other stuff, I'm just trying to get this car to look as beautiful as I can before I start throwing modifications at it. Now, you guys saw something in the bedroom that is part of my dream for my Mustang GT. There's also a lot of other body parts that I still need to do, but we're gonna get there eventually. As far as the wheels go for the Mustang, I found a place, and I think I just might move on this. I might just move on this. But right now we're trying to save up as much as we can so we can redo the timing in the Coyote. And then once the timing is complete, I'm going to redo the clutch system on the Coyote, and then we're not going to go into the next part. But you guys are going to want to smash the subscribe button. I'm telling you, it's going to get very nasty in the nearest future of the videos. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And there's going to be a lot of things changing on me too. And I've been thinking a lot, and there's some things that I just got to fix on my person and not so much my car, but this is a car channel. I really do enjoy every one of you guys. Like, you guys don't know, dude. You've impacted my days. Every day I wake up, I check how many subscribers I have. It's such a thrill when I see that thing boosting up so fast. It's such a dream to me to grow and become a bigger YouTuber in the nearest future. So I'm gonna be trying a little bit harder. Just keep that in mind. We're gonna be making a lot more videos involving the Mustang and the EcoBoost as well, since it's in my life now. We got some videos coming, guys, and we also got a new video coming for the Jeep too. So stay tuned for that. We're also gonna be planning a California drive. That is gonna be amazing. We're gonna get some rollers. I actually have one that I'm going to input right here. Sorry once again that this video is everywhere. I just wanted to fill you guys in. on everything that's been going on and give you guys a vlog to watch. Be safe and keep burning that rubber. Daily Driven Stangs, my name is Chris. I'll see you in the next banger. Peace.